Oh my God, look at this sky. I had to capture the sky on film. It doesn't even look real. Look at that. Look at that line right there. That's crazy. Holy cow, is it about to storm? So on that note, let me hurry up and get this intro done with. Welcome to North Conway, New Hampshire. We are at the Home 2 Suites. We're gonna be staying here for a couple of nights. I'm gonna hurry up and beat this rain, go inside, get checked in. Let's go make some memories. Holy cow, is it rolling in. Oh my God.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
They don't have the lights on the hotel yet. This hotel is brand new. It just opened up within the last month or two. Oh man, it is gonna storm like crazy. Let me hurry up and get inside. All right, so I got checked in. I'm actually up on the 4th floor. So I'm heading up there right now. Let's go check out this room, see what it looks like. All right, here we go. What's the 411? You tell me. I'm inside the room. I always show you guys maximum room rate. $999.99. No way. All right, so if you've never stayed in a Home 2 Suites, and this is our first time, we actually have like a full size, not full size, but a good size fridge and freezer. Check this out. We already put some of our goodies in there. We got some salad for tomorrow and some apples. You've got, it comes with dishes and all these drawers. You see there's cleaning supplies. It's similar to if you stay in like one of these places where you're at a resort for like the week where you have to do your own dishes. There's a dishwasher here with dishes. You just have to make sure you keep all your dishes clean. Anything you use, you're supposed to clean and put back. Then we've got this good dust space here, good overhead space. This whole table here pulls out. We've got a chair that goes with it nicely. We've got, hey, look who it is. Somebody's in my tour for once. Nobody's ever in it usually. We've got a sofa which turns into a bed. Here's another person in my video. What are you guys all doing in here? Beating the rain? We got 2 queen size beds. You got a nice flat screen TV. Tons of storage space. Then look at this. We've got 1 suitcase. 3rd suitcase over here, 3rd one over here. They're all up off the floor, which is great, which means we've got plenty of room to move around. And look at all the space here, space here. Check this out. You ever seen this in a room before? A closet? I mean a curtain? It's like a closet. You can hang out clothes. There's an ironing board. There's a safe down here, which is great. We've got the 2 beds. Look how light the room is. We have basically all the lights except for the little ones sitting. All the lights are on in the room. It's nice and bright. I like that. And then this is your room looking outside. We are facing towards Burger King, more or less, on the side of the building. Well, that's fine. Here's the bathroom here. I love that it's a shower. I love the stand-up showers. Looks like it has a pretty decent looking shower head. There's no body wash, shampoo, conditioner like there has been in a lot of the hotels on this trip where they've been in the pumps inside on the walls. But they do give you the old Neutrogena ones like they used to do before. And then you have a regular toilet which has the 2 different types of flush. One for if you just pee, 2 for if you poo-poo. And then there's drawer space here with a dryer. That one obviously is just a fake drawer. They gave us plenty of toilet paper, which is good. And they have plenty of towels. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bath towels, it looks like. Wow. A nice mirror in here as well. What's up, dudes? So that's basically the end of your room tour.
Here we are in the fitness room. It is open 24 hours. It has quite a few machines, good equipment, all nice and new. Over here we have some dumbbells. There's a TV. The machines seem to have a TV on them. Some Lysol wipes to clean up after yourself, towels for drying yourself up from your sweatiness, chairs here, and that's because they have the guest laundry right here that's attached, which is a little different. They are about $2.35 to $2.60 depending on the load you choose. They have 2 machines, 2 washers, 2 dryers, a spot here to place your stuff, a waste basket, and that's about it.
There's the front counter where you check in. That's the breakfast area all back there, and this is the big seating area. Lots of places to sit here. Very nice. This was a couple of the choices they had for breakfast. They got those good Western omelet looking things. They've got this bacon, egg, and like focaccia bread. And then they got like a sausage McMuffin type thing. That's pretty cool. Chocolate milk! Ooh, yogurt. Yogurt eater. Oh, that's like the little business center over there. There's a computer there with a printer. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, this is going to wrap our 2-night stay here at the Home 2 Suites in North Conway, New Hampshire. Man, did we love this stay. That room was amazing. It was so huge. We had plenty of room. We were very comfortable in there the last 2 nights. Both for sleeping, for just chilling out and watching some TV last night after we got back to the hotel. We actually picked up some pizza and just ate in the room. All in all, it was a very good stay. Very good staff that worked here. Everybody we encountered was very friendly. Unfortunately, the only thing I didn't get to show you was the pool, because every time I went to show you the pool, there were kids in there. And I'm not going to film when there's a bunch of little kids in the pool, because I look like a pervert and a weirdo, and I'm not doing that. So, that you didn't get to see the pool. It's a standard hotel pool. But like I said, every time I went down, it was... The only thing I didn't like about the pool was it closed a little early. It closed at 9, which isn't super early, but when you're out and about all day long and you grab dinner and you maybe just want to come back and chill in the pool, by the time you get back here, sometimes it's 7, 8 o'clock at night, then you don't feel like having to rush, you know? But if you like this video, hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. You ever been through North Conway, New Hampshire, where the Kankamangas Highway is close by, the Mount Washington Auto Road is close by, and there's a lot of cool stuff to do here in North Conway. I think this is going to be a place that we're going to return to at some point in the future, because we really enjoyed our time in this area. But now we're heading on to another stop in New Hampshire, heading down towards the Portsmouth area for the night. Gonna do some stuff down in the Concord on our way in the state capitol, so that should be fun. Alright guys, if you're subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. If not, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys? Alright, safe travels. See you down the road. We'll see you soon.